Good morning, campers. Actually, good evening. It's pretty late at the moment. We are in Primm, Nevada. There we go. Just came out of California. We're gonna stop here and slide our axles to a more reasonable... How do I get to the Flying J? There's a Flying J at this casino. I'm trying to figure out how to get into the J. I think it's just stay left. I've also got a four-wheeler with a U-Haul trailer like right behind me, so I want to be real careful and make sure he doesn't get in our way. Free covered parking. I don't want covered parking. I want the Flying J's down here somewhere, I think. That's the first time I've stopped here. It took me a really long time to realize there was a truck stop in this casino. Oh good, they've got a cat scale, so we can double check it if we need to. Because I did not actually check our weights in California. I just put it in California legal. I'm like, oh wow, this is tail heavy. And we avoided the weigh station because we're very close to 34,000 on the tandems. So I was like, well, we're going to find a time where the weigh station's not open before we go up Cajon Pass, just in case. I think we're good, but I didn't really want to risk it if we weren't perfectly legal. So now that we are out of oh, someone's driven over the tape on this particular fuel island, so let's just back ourselves away from that. Clearly that's not. Nope, there's someone turning behind me. Stop while he figures out his thing. Okay, and backing again. There's a Primm here, so this might actually be kind of cheap fuel, so we'll be checking that in a moment. That one's out of order too. Are any of these empty ones good? I guess we'll get behind this guy. You know what? Let's just pull through. Yeah, no, it's out of order too. Alright, guess we're not getting fuel here. Ah! Alright, the pumps are apparently radio angry. Oh, there's people parked all around the Catskill. I don't know if we can get to that. Stop here. What's our load scale say? Our load scale says, and we're neutral. We're definitely, yeah, okay. So we're a little bit heavy forward. So let's actually do the shift here since we are on a slight downhill. That'll put more weight on our drives than the scale actually says. So this says we're currently at 30,000. Let's slide the tandems real quick. How are we on time? Yeah, we're good on time. All right. Slide the tandems real quick, see how we do. As always, when going to the back of the trailer, ignition off, key out of the ignition, especially in a truck stop, because walking away from your driver's seat with the engine running is a good way to get your truck stolen. Alright, let's go slide. let's see how this goes. Do 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 do. Nope. Sorry, I had the weather radio on before I muted it to start recording. Okay. So is it 30,000 with the airbags inflated? Now it's at 32. So let's add a couple more thousand. Come on, come on. There we go. That's only 32.5. Wow. All right. A little more. All right, that's 33.5 according to that. Let's see where that puts us with the trailer airbags inflated. Sure our pins are locked. Got them. Let's fill our airbags back up. The joys of sliding tandems in a truck stop in the middle of the night. So that puts us at 33.5. I like that. I like that. That gives us plenty of room for fuel. And that should actually be a little bit heavy because we are on that slight forward downhill. Okay, cool. Let's get back on the road and get out of here. Keep an eye on the load scale, make sure it doesn't waver above 34 at any point. Oh yeah, it's below 33 now. We're good. We're good. That put our tandems kind of in the, looks like they're close to the 41-foot mark. I don't really, it's Nevada, they don't care. There's no minimum here. That's got them perfect. It's right where I like them too. I like the 41.5 foot mark for the back axles, the Canada limit, as I usually call it. It's the a lot of East Coast states and Canada require it to be the center of your rear axles must be right about there or further forward to be legal. Out here in the West, a lot of the states don't care, aside from California, where they have to be at the 40-foot mark, and that's to the center of the rear axle, not to the center of the axle group. So that's a little bit weird, but other than California, the other states really don't care out here. You can drive with your tandems at the far back if you really want. Oh, it makes maneuvering a little bit difficult. Is there 2 lanes here in each direction, or is it a single super wide lane? I can't tell. Oh yeah, we're sitting right at 33,000. That's good. That's good. That's very good for us. All right. I-15 south, right lane. We want north. So let's stay in the left lane. Now, her trailer is going to be in the right lane, but that's fine. That's just fine, you know? Alright,